Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the page orientation in Microsoft Word. Someone might be asking, what's meant by page orientation? Don't worry, I've got you. Page orientation simply refers to the direction your page is set in. We have two types of page orientation, portrait and landscape. Portrait means the page is taller than it is wide. Landscape means the page is wider than it is tall. Someone might also ask, why change orientation? Good question. Portrait is perfect for essays, letters, and reports. Landscape works best for wide content like tables, charts, or images. Now, let's jump into the steps. At the top of Word, click on the Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, click on Orientation. Choose either Portrait or Landscape. Click, and your entire document will instantly switch. If you only want one page in a different orientation, place your cursor at the beginning of that page. Go to Layout, then Breaks. Click Next Page to insert a section break. Then change the orientation, it applies only to that section. And that's it. You now know how to switch between portrait and landscape in Word. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick Word tips.